Good evening. Crippling winter storm hitting the Great Lakes and Northeast tonight. Blizzard conditions in upper Midwest, heavy snow and whiteouts in Wisconsin and Michigan UP. 12 to 24 inches possible in parts of Michigan UP, Ontario, and Quebec. Lake effect bands intensifying, localized over a foot in Traverse City, Buffalo, Watertown. Northeast, crippling ice storm with up to 3/4 inch accumulations. Dangerous travel, roads impassable, widespread power outages likely from ice. Damaging winds over 60 miles per hour in Ohio Valley and eastern areas. Timing, peak impacts overnight into Monday, ice and snow continue. Sub-zero wind chills spreading, down to minus 30-degree Powerdius in northern plains. New Year's Eve, possible light snow in NYC, cold wind chills in teens. Travel, avoid if possible, whiteouts, ice making roads deadly. Flights, thousands delayed or canceled at major hubs. Prepare, emergency kits, charge devices for outages. Check on neighbors, limit outdoor exposure. More storms into January, active winter pattern ahead. Recap, blizzard Great Lakes, crippling ice Northeast. High winds and severe threats ongoing. Monitor live radar and impact weather channel alerts. Stay safe, don't travel unless emergency. Thanks for watching. Be careful out there.